little bullet hole right here. Don't worry me too much. There's like a bullet hole in the headrest back here. There's a bullet hole. All right, switch to the off position. Continue. Yes, no check engine light. We're not limited to 55 anymore. Let's go. Here it is. This is Matt's brand new to Matt. It's a 2015 LML Duramax. We actually just loaded same day tuning tunes on it. It is non-emission compliant. The reason for that is it was having a code which was related to the EGR valve. It gave a check engine light and it limited the speed to 55. That's why I kept saying I was tapped out at 55 when we were test driving this. So what we did was basically got the tunes already. Matt has an Easy Link right here. So we use the Easy Link. The Easy Link setup is right there. Loaded the tunes, which bypassed all the EGR and all the codes related to it. So the truck is running flawlessly. Only thing is, Matt did order a 5-inch exhaust, which is on the way. And we need to do that within the next couple weeks, just so that way the DPF doesn't get clogged up. But running it like this shouldn't hurt the truck at all. But it is recommended to put the exhaust on it pretty soon. But I think everything checked out, and I think it was a really good trade. I think you came on top.
I definitely came out on the top.
Yeah, I mean, you went from a 04 to a 2015, and it was a really good trade. And I don't know, the Kodiak did look pretty badass driving off.
It did, yeah. It sounds good, it looks good, but it was just getting to the point where it wasn't. I wanted it to be a daily driver. I wanted it to be a tow truck, and I wasn't able to use it for either one of those things for almost 3 months. Yeah. So it was like, all right, you know, maybe somebody else can put this thing to better use, and I can get something a little bit more practical for what I actually truly need. Yeah. So settle on this right here. I mean, it was just out of the wind. Put it on Facebook. Messaged me, said, "What about?"
Dude, you sold it within like a week.
It wasn't a week. It was like
2 days.
Day.
Yeah.
It was the same day. Like literally put it on Facebook at 5 o'clock.
Same day trade.
By 9 o'clock, he was messaging me saying, "What about doing a trade?"
Dang.
And I was like, "What you got?" He showed me pictures. I was like, "Too good to be true." See the bin. Let's run through it. All right, I guess this is legit. We're doing this.
It's way cleaner in person than the pictures.
Yeah, the pictures were very.
Interior needs some work, but
I mean, it's got a couple of like rock chips on the hips of it, but it's nothing that we can't fix now that we know how to properly do
touch up. Yes, sir.
Because I learned, right?
All right.
Yeah.
So we got an hour and a half ride back, and
let's grab some food. Let's set up the Easy Link, and
I'm coming in hot.
Update on the dually build, freshly picked up. Matt just got new tires for this truck. It's got Cooper Discover RTX. I'm assuming it's like Cooper's hybrid tire. Fresh new rubber on the dually. God, I can't imagine having to buy 6 tires. Gotta do what you gotta do for a dually. 6 tires, all fresh. And with the supply and demand right now, he said it was really hard to get all 6 sets from one store. Were you able to get all 6 from one shop?
No, they actually had to go to 2 different shops.
But they did.
They did.
Got some work to do on the dually. Oh, and he got an alignment done as well. The outer side of the tire was all worn out. It kind of looked like the alignment was off. So because he was getting new tires, he wanted to make sure it would wear out even. So that was the whole reason for an alignment. So now, as you guys can see, it is filthy in here. I mean, it was a work truck, but as this is going to be Matt's daily driver, we're going to do some serious cleaning up on this truck. So stay tuned. We'll be back. We'll kind of keep you guys updated on exactly what we do. Actually, I'm cleaning out my LLY too because it's been a while. We bought a carpet cleaner. She's going to clean the carpet for me.
It's going to be so sad.
I know, but like especially right there. And then we're gonna use the carpet cleaner for Matt's truck as well. Oh my god, look at all that filth right All right. Some ketchup.
Oh, good.
Free French fries.
How old that ketchup is? Seatbelt.
Penny?
Oh yeah, sure. Can you save this penny earn?
Yeah.
You know, $2 right there. What's the bid next week?
Yep. And then like the carpet on this side is like a little damp, like they spill drinks all the time.
Say what now?
Like right over here is all, like kind of damp, like they spill drink all the time.
And the flies love this truck.
Who?
If I leave the door open, the flies.
Oh, flies?
Yeah,
oh yeah.
If I leave the door open, they just come up here and post up.
Of course they love this truck.
Like, you know how like flies will kind of like, if it's, I guess, clean,
Yeah.
they kind of fly around erratically, like looking for something to land on.
Yeah.
These jokers, they just land and they're like happy. I'm good, you know.
Yeah.
Like, I'm chilling.
Yeah, I can see how flies like this truck a lot. Yo! Babe, are you wearing pants? Oh god. Look at that chocolate milk. Good. There's flies all in this truck and they're flying in. I've never seen so many flies flying into a vehicle. Filthy. Quick update, that looks way better than before, and there's less flies in here. There's one fly, but I see flies coming in here, and they're kind of hesitant to stay just because it's actually getting cleaner now. So still need to do the seats because the seats are still filthy, but carpet wise, everything up there, still got to do this door panel and that door panel, but the front two door panels are completely cleaned, wiped down. Looks way better than it did before. Center console looks way better than it did before. Radio looks brand new. And then the vacuum did a really good job of cleaning the carpet of the LLY. Still a little stains, but we might need a stronger chemical for that. Currently headed over to Matt's house. We got finished up late last night. We got finished up after the sun went down, so I didn't get a very good look at how clean his LML is. All right, first look of this cleaned interior. All right, well, this is way better. I can actually sit in here and it doesn't smell disgusting. Everything is clean. This is actually cleaner than my L5P right now. But everything was scrubbed. I'm not sure I understand. Whoa. Everything is scrubbed. Even the headliner, it was just all covered in dirt. I mean, you could still kind of see a little bit. Obviously, camera's gonna pick it up a little bit more sometimes. But, I mean, this is way better than it was. I think Matt's gonna do a cat skin or road wire. But yeah, I mean, we did a really good job of cleaning this thing up. Spent about 8 hours and it was completely worth it. They were covered in dirt. The speakers were covered in dirt. Everything was covered in dirt. Yeah, look at that.
Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go.
Like, comment, and subscribe.